Hi, world travelers. How are you all? I hope you've been having a great week. I'm getting the opportunity to explore so many awesome, incredible places around the world that are outside of what we know to be like the United States and Minnesota, but you're really getting a chance to really explore other places. So, with that being said, today we are going to be leaving Minnesota and we're going to be traveling across the Atlantic Ocean to Europe. It's a pretty big continent, and there's a lot of countries that are in it. There are over 40 countries that make up Europe. So it's very similar to Asia in the sense there are a lot of different countries, a lot of different places. So let's take a little bit closer look at our map here. That was a little zoomed in. So as you can see, there are a lot of different countries. They all have different colors to represent the different kind of land. So a really cool fact about Europe is not only does it have 40 different countries, but you see there's a lot of water that surrounds Russia, or sorry, that surrounds Europe. Um, so there are four main seas that um, kind of surround Europe. So we have the Baltic Sea, which is up here. Then we call this the North Atlantic Sea. So it's part of the Atlantic Ocean, but we call this the like North Atlantic Sea. Down here you have the Mediterranean Sea, which takes you kind of into Africa down here, and then you have the Black Sea, which is over here. So there are four main seas that kind of surround Europe. Miss Dunning has actually been to Italy. I spent a month in northern Italy in Rome, studying while I was in college. So I got to spend a month there. But it's the one that kind of looks like a little boot, Italy. So I was there. I was along the coast up here, and I really got a chance to explore, which is really cool. But today you're going to be reading about all these different countries. You're going to be doing some different math activities, and one thing that I really like is the flags. I think there's some really beautiful flags that are part of Europe. So you're going to be learning about all the different flags, and then you're going to take a Kahoot. To see what you remember and what you know about the flags, which is really cool. So you're going to get a chance to do that today. I love Europe. I think there's so many beautiful places, so much history that is in Europe, which is really, really cool. So I hope you enjoy your time in Europe today and learning and reading. And I will see you on Monday to continue our travels. Have an awesome day and an awesome weekend. Bye.